For the big one, this is Patrick, PCTV, Seal Beach Classic. Already a huge crowd. It's 9:45 in the morning. We're gonna go walking. It'll be a great day. Yeah, check it out. Craig's here. We've got a couple lifteds. 69 F100 Camper. Oh, 69 is bad to the bone. Pretty cool, honey. Camping, camping, camping. Look at this. Old school JVC. Full pop top. Got his fishing poles. Got his flat screen in here. Stove, refrigerator. Man, he is set. Captain's chairs. This is cruising. All the places he's been. Love all the classic stickers. Happy campers.
Oh, they are? Okay.
Here's Craig. He's rolled in. Around since God for years. Driving all over Huntington Beach. Everywhere. Blow through because it is a K5. Hey. What's going on? Good morning.
Morning.
Brought this instead, huh?
Brought this instead.
65 Rev. 68 Bird. 64 Cutlass right next to it. Nice drop top. 62, 2 owners. Impala, beautiful. One of my favorite caddies. Nightmare. Yeah, it's got a couple impacts on it. Still bad to the bone. This is a crowded show. Look at that, 4 buckets, full console. Nightmare. Here's our representation. Marvin's in the house with the 62 jet curves here. We got Marva. There we go. Super rare. 1470 made. Marvin 65 right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Now it's his mom's car. He gave it to her when he got his 62. We got Don Allison right next to him. Look at the 65. SCC. Don 62. XO.
Just comes out.
Yeah.
We're on Studebaker now.
Oh, I'm on
Don!
Thunderbird and Stearns.
Okay, yeah, hop, skip, and a jump. Cool, this is fun, man.
Hey, Patrick.
Hey, what's going on,
Yeah,
man?
you let us know.
Nice T-Bird road. Look at these guys. What's up, SEC? Wow, you guys couldn't ask for better seating.
Not each. We'll share. We'll get you
Everybody. Hi, Sandy. Bye, Marva. All right. You love the T-Birds. I know. You like the T-Birds, you like the Corvettes. This Falcon is beautiful. Sprint 64, 65. Seriously classics. FEs. Makes me think of Stephen Bailey. Rest in peace, buddy. Looking like Mike Chaffer's truck, but no, it's that split tone. 54.
Yeah.
Mary with her 50 shoebox through here. Love this car. One of my all-time favorites. They're not here though. They're out walking around somewhere. Nice little twin cab here. Oh, look at this big block. Camaro, 70 and a half.
Oh, no.
Hi, Brandon.
What's happening?
What's up, brother? How you doing, buddy?
Good, how you doing?
This one is You Lose. That's the license plate on it. So
Is it really?
yeah, that's his license
Yeah, you
plate.
probably would after hearing it starting.
Oh, it is a 502. It's bad to the bone. Been driving this thing, the stance on it, Pro Street. Our esteemed owner. How you been?
And my wife.
And your wife. And the really cool thing is that you guys hand out Hot Wheels at some of the events.
We got the trunk full of them. We've been handing them out.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, no, that's the,
Well, we
the
haven't
fun
seen
of
you
it.
down at the meetings in quite a while. You're probably busy.
Yep. Yeah,
Yep.
just been really tied up.
Yep, that's how it
So,
goes.
Are we
We're on video, yeah.
ready?
Oh yeah, let's hear it. Listen to this, you guys. Oh, buddy, King, I hope you're ready.
This is quiet mode.
This is quiet
This is
mode.
quiet mode.
This thing's a monster. He opens up his doors and it's just crazy. Jim, this thing is nuts. Love it, Jim. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's with the dumps closed.
That's right.
I've heard it with the dumps open.
Yeah, I don't dare open them.
Oh, no, no, no. Well, thanks for firing her up.
Thank you.
One of the
Enjoy the
most
show.
beautiful Camaros out here, 1973. You know what? I had a 73 RS. I had one for only about 6 months because I sold it to Japan. Man, have a great day at the show.
You
and
too.
yeah,
Thank you.
You've got one of the best, but I can't believe we got an entire row of split bumpers.
I know. It's definitely different.
This is just killer. Well, good to see you, brother.
I got to grab a few cars for these kids.
Oh, do the cars, man. That's the other thing, like I said, he does. He gives away the Hot Wheels with his lovely wife. Look at this, another split bumper here. Dave's LT1. Oh, Andrew is out. He's judging. That's right, DWS is the judges for this. Here's a 70 split. This one's looking like a 70. It's the differences in the grill. There you go. It's the grill difference. Very sweet. 69, beautiful. Really cool. Blue interior, that's interesting. White metallic top, diamond tuck custom. Look at this. Camaro convertible. Another great car. Wow. This is beautiful, huh? This is you right here today, huh? What do you think, honey? You like this one?
Nice.
Nice?
Nice.
Nothing's perfect, but it's out pretty good.
Route 66. It's working out great, man. We're happy as can be. 1969. Old school. Look at those voids, man. Those gotchas are gotcha twos. This is really taking it back. Another look here. Crazy. Absolutely love this TA, huh?
Yeah.
This is all you. You'd like to be rolling this one. She's like, yeah. And it's original too. All original. Nice car. T-tops. Good old leaky T-tops. Yeah, very original car. Sweet. Camaro convertible. Look at this one here. 67 SS. Could be a little cleaner. 67 RS. Rally stripes. Looking like one last ride here. Yep. On the most likely to take your last ride in the award. Looking like a dart swinger. Look at this. RS with poverty caps on it. Hockey sticks. Small block. Beautiful detail work. Look at this thing. Yeah, oh, it's a 69. Oh, there you guys are. Poverty cap. The hockey sticks on it, 69. Got to see some great friends already. Just really a great day so far here. That's Seal Beach, and we haven't even made it a quarter way through. Look at this Mustang here. Kind of a, oh, Coyote. Wow. Coyote conversion. Beautiful.
Yes, it is. Yes,
Wow.
it is.
Really, this is insane. going on here, you guys. So many folks. First bug I've seen today. Good morning, good morning. 69 XKE. Beautiful body. Back here, you really can't get any camera time in, but do the best you can. We got a live band up here, like a Chevy Deluxe here. Split window, maybe 53, 52. Very sweet. 57 right next to it. Wow, beautiful. Bird honey. T-bird, baby bird. Nice wide block, full with brakes. Very sweet. Look at this. LS converted with a turbo. Don't even know whose turbo, the supercharger, excuse me. Why am I saying turbo? Wow. There's a four-door out there, same color scheme, but this Bel Air double nickel is just off the hook. Man, love the troll on that wheel. That was at Orange Plaza a couple weeks ago. I believe this is 63. Look at the work under here. Box shocks. He drives this thing, man. Yeah, that's a sweetheart. This is 69, it's not the same one. The other one had a tan interior in orange. 100 grand plus. The wife is having fun. Thing's having a great time. Look at this Cadillac. Here's the Caddy. Looks like a 54. K5's off the hook. That's crazy. Sweetheart. Street lift. Looking like a barracuda. Aluminum bodies. Very sweet. Come here, bud. 66. We're gonna go see him. Nice fish. Got a GTX right next to him. 440. 68. Look at this. This is heavy power, baby. Holy moly. Rights. Yeah, up there, mega lift. She's 10 feet tall. Porsche 356. Ting just pointed out the little bathtub here. Plug. Ah, it's a conversion. Dual port. Yeah, this is this is what we call a kit car. Beautiful build though. Replica built by Vintage Motor Cars, and a really, really nice one at that. 50 Spider.
Hey, you want to adopt me?
James Dean. Wow, look at all the Porsche row here. It's all bathtubs and fight. This is all Vintage Motor Cars. These are actually built, created cars. Wow. These guys are doing some pretty top-end stuff for repro. Very nice. Volkswagen powered. These are all built by Vintage Motor Cars. Nice. These kit cars back in the day, but not anymore. These are replicas. These are definitely beautiful replicas. Good job. I picked one up for a friend of mine about 15 years ago, and some of the builds are just incredible.
Oh yeah. Have a great day.
Do you guys do sell them as full builds only, or do you sell them as partials?
We do sell the kits right now. We're not doing
Okay, like the spun hubs. Looks like they're using 1600 dual ports in these, and she was saying they're building full kits. And they're building some turnkey, but mostly they're selling kits right now. 70 Mach 1. Wow. Mark has the same. We were just talking to Mark. Yeah, he has the same. Look at this. Wow. Guys, tell me the last time you've seen a synchro, a real synchro. They're not falling out of trees. You don't see these things around. This is a four-wheel drive. And it's a double barn door. I mean a double panel slider. Yeah, this is ultra rare right here. Wow. Yeah, this is military, man.
Wow, this is like a utility.
Yeah, you don't see a lot of synchros, that's for sure. And he's got a pop top on it and everything too. Cool. That's 4-wheel drive Vanan Synchro. That's 36 here. 37. Ooh, little charger, small block, supercharger. Very nice. What do you got? What do you see? Oh, okay. She saw something more interesting. The outhouse. You're funny. That's awesome. I'm not a big 4-door guy, but this is a pretty car. Love it. I would say 4 doors are parts cars, but you know what? That's a beautiful car. Love the fact that he shaved the back handles on it, and it's really cool. This Nova, though, just gorgeous. Got LT4. What are we running here? Damn. I don't think it's LT4. Holy crap. Man, this thing is insane. 67. It's a winner. Trophy car. LT4, I don't know. LS6. Insane. More of the show, guys. Great stuff. 64 Chevelle here. Look at this big block in here. Holy moly. Shoot warning, baby. Shoot warning. Let me make sure it's a 64. Yep. It is. 6.5 right next to it. Very sweet. $2. Oh, I had the same interior in my 65 El Camino, same color. Turquoise, and mine was primer, but it was actually originally white too. Very sweet. Nice 65 and a 64 right next to each other. See the point in the bumper there, tells you a big difference. See how much flatter the 64 is. By the way, it's original black plate on that 64 there. You see how much flatter the bumper is, the grill's flatter. It's different, taillights are different. Grills are different. I like the 65 grill better. I always like the 65 better. Oh, look at that, free cookies. Cookies, cookies, cookies. 67 Alco. What a sweetheart. What's it badged with? 320 or 350. 350 badged. Look at that, they brought all kinds of sweets for us too, cookies and everything. Nice. Taking a look down the row here, looking like 32 Roadster. Got a knee knocker here. What do you, 64 maybe? Oh, look at that, Angel's here. Oh, and I know her. Yeah, the Guzzleall's here. It means Angel and Trish are floating around somewhere. They're probably down with DWS group right now. This bug is also part of SCC. And she comes down to Chihuahuas quite a bit as well, too. Marianne's bug's here. She says it's 1776. That's a good motor. That's basically, I think it's originally a convertible, but they just pulled the whole top off of it completely. 6 Mustang, factory air, 289, very nice. 57 with fuel injection tags on it. But yeah, look what they have for injection. I don't know what the wife was having me take a picture, but look at Hillborn injection setup on this little small block here. This is cool. The fuel rails, multi-point fuel injection setup. This thing's got a haul butt. Yeah, that injection is beautiful. Look at this interior. Wow. Guys.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Good stuff, huh, baby? I love all the matte. I love the matte finish. The steering wheel, how they matted everything out to match the, it looks almost like leather. All the metal almost looks like leather too. Let's see if how the pull-through is. Yeah, they pulled it through nicely. Great job. Love your car. Dude, you just top-notch all the way through, man. Love it.
C4 Corvette.
Oh, you went with a C4 rear in it, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet. Tiki bus. Tiki bus. Checking all the bamboo work. Yeah, waterproof interior. matching drink cup. Hawaii. Look at this. Man, this has got a waterproof interior and everything. Been around for a while. Very cool. Check out the thatch roof on it. Yeah, buddy. Line on this thing. Wow. 383. Blown. Stacked. 1932 deuce. Hey, what are you doing? This is a crazy deuce. This is my friend here. I can say Christina's beautiful old Nash here. My buddy Christina, she brought her all original Nash. And the documentation on this is amazing. This was a car that was purely marketed toward women. And women only. In fact, one of my friends, my late friend Blair, had one in high school. And she loved it. It was pink and just crazy. This is Bill and Cindy's. So we met Bill in 1914. Ting loves it. Yeah, Bill and Cindy's, Parris. We met just a few minutes ago. You gotta touch it. Yeah, Bill just got this. His wife Cindy. This is the first time they've taken it out. Look at that, no dash, no nothing, just the horn. Beautiful example. Horseless Carriage. What's 2025 stickers on it? Ooh. Nice fastback. Mustang Club. 65. I believe first year fastback. They might have been 64. Big 3 window. Big block. Holy moly. Wow.
Hi.
Crazy. Hey, what's up, Rod?
What do you say?
Dude, this is sick. Big block. Wow.